R to the A to the R to the A to the R to the A to the R to the A to the. Hey y'all, my name is Rachel, but you can definitely call me simply Rach. One thing I noticed about this little intro I started, I ain't got no rhythm. Like, it kills me when they say all of us can dance. We can't, but I be trying. All right, but for those that are new to my channel, my name is Rachel, like I said, and I have a preference towards high-end makeup, normally from Sephora. That's my go-to spot. But I do still dibble and dab in different drugstore products. I'm all about quality over quantity, even though my quantity just keeps going up and up and up. All right, so this is actually episode 2 and my new series. We'll be going through top 5 products in different categories each week. So last week it was the top 5 products that I could not live without. And one of those was a skincare product. So if you have not seen that video, if I learn how, I'll link that up below. But if not, you can always search it down below, whichever works for you. But either way, definitely check out that video so you can see my holy grails, products I could not live without. So this next set is going to be products that are my top 5 skincare products. So this is a mix between serums, masks, cleansers, but these are things that I've tested out, they're tried and true. I think there's only one product down here that is relatively new, but the rest of these, I've used them over and over and I love them and I would definitely recommend to a friend. So if you have made it this far, please definitely like and subscribe and go ahead and share with your friends. My video camera just cut off because I hit the table. Okay. It's very interesting when you start actually doing a YouTube channel and all the little quirks and things that happen while you're trying to sit here and be cute. It's been a learning experience and it's definitely been fun. So let's go ahead and get to the top 5 skincare products that I could not live without. Just like in the last video, there were 2 products that almost made it, but it's not quite in the top 5, but I definitely want to share. So the first is my go-to skincare for my all over body. So this is the, y'all know how I am in pronunciating stuff. It's the Eucerin, yes, the Eucerin Advanced Repair Cream. So this here, I love. Because first of all, I enjoy the fact that it's more of a scoop up, so I can put as much as you want because I am chocolate, so I get ashy. And this right here, if I layer on even right after the shower, it's gonna keep me nice and hydrated and ashy free. So this is something, it's the only skin moisturizing all over body thing that I continuously use. And then the only reason that this product did not make the top 5 is because I have so many different clay masks, but this one has been a standout. So this one is the Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. So what this one is, it feeds the skin for this versatile super green mask formulated with avocado, broccoli, seed oils, rich in omega fatty acids to help support the skin's moisture barrier. Vitamin C and passion fruit acids help brighten for a fresh looking complexion. So I see an immediate brightening of my skin when I use this particular product. And I got this a couple of months ago in my BoxyCharm. And at first I was like, just another clay mask. But I have used this one on a weekly basis since I've gotten it. And I would definitely pick up a second bottle, even though I have multiple clay masks. This one is a standout for its brightening effect that it does on the skin. So now let's get to the true top 5. So, and the number 5 slot, it is my favorite skin oil. So this one is a go-to face hero. And I enjoy this particular oil because, it got me a little greasy, slippery with that lotion. So, So it has a yellowish color, and it dissolves into the skin, so it's not heavy. It almost feels like more of like a dry oil because of how it just immediately absorbs into the skin. And then when it comes to the ingredients, I'm all about what is the top 5 ingredients in the particular product. This one has almond oil, jojoba oil, macadamia oil, Brazil nut oil. And it does have natural fragrance, which is orange blossom and rose gardenia. But when it comes to this, the way that it absorbs in the skin is why I picked this as my number 5 oil. And it does have a light scent to it, but it's nothing overpowering. It has a more of a natural smell to it. So this here is my number 5 slot for a oil. And in the number 4 position is a new product that I have tried almost 30 days. Normally it has to be 30 days before you love a product, but this, like, I've been wanting to try it for months and I'm hyping it up enough. It is the Glow Recipe Pineapple C Bright Serum. So it's a brightening and smoothing. So it has the vitamin C, which I think, if I'm not mistaken, is like either 22% or 12%. I just know there's a 2 in there. But that has vitamin C, but then it also has AHAs. So I do not use this every day. I use it every other day, fluctuated in the morning time between another vitamin C serum. But this here, it gives me the smooth complexion, and then I get several compliments on the way that the makeup lays on my skin in general, and it helps with the fading of spots. And I love that the smell, it smells like that pineapple juice, the canned Dole pineapple juice that you had as a kid. It's wonderful. So not only is it effective, it smells good, and it's cute. So that's a win-win situation right there. And I got this one as well in a BoxyCharm. And I don't think I mentioned it. I got this in a Ipsy, the glam bag. So a lot of the skincare products are things that I've gotten in beauty boxes, except for the top 3. The top 3 I had to use my own monies, but they were so wonderful. I just couldn't resist. So in the top 3 position is my favorite face mask. And this is the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Sleeping Mask, and it replenishes and locks hydration. So one of the good things about this, it has like a number 1 and a number 2, and it actually splits into like a jelly formula. Look, it's almost gone. Oh, look at that. It has a jelly formula that you put on first, and I typically wait a couple minutes, and then I put on the cream. And oh my gosh, there is something about the smell of rose that just makes me have all kind of Cleopatra vibes in my soul. So I love this mask. And then it's also, not only does it smell good, but it's super hydrating to have overnight, and it just gives me this luxurious feel. So especially if I do a mask of this, which is vitamin C, then I do this to lock in the moisture, I wake up like I just had some bomb ass sex. I'll be like, whoa, child, look at you glowing, yes. Too much, I apologize. But yes, that's how I feel after I have that glowing skin, so I love it. So in the number 2 spot, I try all kinds of different cleansers, but this is the only cleanser that I have ever tried that is special. She is beautiful and fancy and effective. So I know that I'm not the only person that has been victimized by Andrea Renee and her beautiful recommendations and homegirl Southern spirit, and she put your girl on. So thank you. So when it comes to this product, it is the Clarifying Cleanser by Tata Harper. And what I love about this particular product, I'm not gonna waste it. This stuff is expensive. This was a splurge that I got at the last major BIB sale. So that would have been, and I guess April. So yeah, I'm pretty sure it's April they had it. So I haven't even used that much. This is actually a cleanser that I probably will only use twice a week because it has this tingling sensation where it feels like, you know, like the little bubbles, scrubbing bubble things, they like clean the counters. It feels like the gentle version of that on my skin. I feel fancy, I feel luxurious, and it only takes 1 pump of this green magic greatness, and I am glowing, baby. Like when I put this on and then I rock a mask, Then I put on my favorite toner to soothe everything. Whew, and then I lock it in with this. Girl, I feel like I have went to the spa and I've treated myself. And these products, these are things that I'm just like are close to my soul, and I recommend if you have not tried them, they are all worth a try. But this number one, oh yeah, bought this with my own money. They ain't putting this bad boy in nobody's beauty box. If I'm not mistaken, do not quote me, I'll put it right here. But I think this is like $58, no joke. So I'm going to try other things from her line, because what I do with the luxury things like this is I don't use them every single day. I use them a couple times a week so that way it stretches, and then I'll mix in some of my other more affordable products so that way I'll get the benefits of the luxury, but then it's not hurting my pockets because I only got so much dough to go, you know, you feel me? So, and then the number one spot, it is the Pharmacy Honey Glow. So with this one, this is a AHA resurfacing night serum with hydrating honey and gentle flower acids. And I had to go down to using this only twice a week. I do it on Sundays and I do it on Wednesdays, like clockwork. And the next morning, like on Monday, like I do it on Sundays because I want Monday morning for me to go to work with that energy, that after sex glow that comes out of a bottle. So, let me leave that alone. So why I like this product is it really does, it gives me that nice texture, that smoothness of a great acid, but then it's still mild. It has a pleasant scent, and it's just truly been a go-to. This is one of the things I can't even describe what it does, but it make me look bomb. It makes my skin, because I'm acne prone combo skin. So this has AHAs and BHAs. So the BHAs, it helps with my acne that I'm getting, and just really just gives me that smooth, beautiful glow. So if you notice, a lot of this with acne prone skin, I have to deal with the scars. So I look for things that are going to get me the glow and help to resurface the skin to try to keep me as smooth as possible. So thank you guys once again for tuning in. And while you're here, go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate all the feedback. And please let me know, what are your top 5 favorite skincare products? So these are things that you can't live without, or something that you will recommend to a friend. So sticking to the main categories, I did a cleanser, oil, serum, whatever you are in love with, please let me know. And thank you so much for tuning in. Bye-bye.